I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying ownership and license. Check whether the clip is Creative Commons, public domain, or requires permission. Once you identify the owner, request written consent and specify timestamps you need. Make sure to save that permission as proof, screenshot emails, and include dates. While you collect permissions, download only the exact segments you will use to limit exposure. This first step prevents later takedowns and starts your compliance trail immediately. You now perform transformative edits that change purpose and meaning. Crop to the moment you analyze, add commentary or critique audio, reframe visuals, and overlay your original content. Once done, keep each reused clip short, aim for 1/4 or less of the original, and document why it's transformative in your production notes. Also add visible on-screen attribution and a caption stating the license or permission to reinforce good faith and reduce risk of automated claims. You publish with transparency. Include timestamps, license details, and a short note explaining transformative use in the description. Once live, monitor for content ID matches and be ready to submit a dispute with your written permission and evidence of edits. If a takedown occurs, escalate with the documented consent and an explanation of fair use or transform. Troubleshooting tip: if automated claims persist, keep organized proof and use platform appeal channels or seek a quick legal consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.